Hi everyone, welcome back to Viraj. Today's video is going to be about the election context to investing. What should investors look forward to? What do you think will happen after the elections? And what are the investment opportunities that might arise out of this election? Is the premise of this video. So by end of it, hopefully you'll understand what areas or industries and sectors you can look at. Maybe some companies we can look at. Maybe I'll mention a few of those, and then you'll see how it ends. So the elections are a week away. They're going to start and spill over to the entire month of May. And all indications are the ruling party will be seeking a third term and they might secure it. I'm not into politics and I'm not here to say what is right, what is wrong. I'm purely talking about in terms of investing. Like I mentioned in the previous video yesterday that about FIIs and what they believe, every investor, what they long for is stability, because with stability there's certainty, and with certainty you can make investments and you can have a prospective growth and you can have some kind of a plan, especially long-term plans, and you have a kind of a roadmap which you can stick to. This is what stability gives you. And whomsoever comes to power, if they come in majority instead of a coalition, it is a better for the investor, because then we have clear mandate in hand and we clearly know where the government is heading. Whichever government comes into power, we'll know where the road map is lying ahead. So assuming our current prime minister gets a third term and is re-elected, is what the roadmap he's been talking about is what we're looking at in this video. So investor expectations for this coming cycle is going to be mainly focused on infrastructure. Manufacturing stocks is what is going to be most sectors that are going to be benefiting the most from continuation of the current government. Financial institutions like Citigroup also feel this and expect further in terms of energy sector reforms and government initiatives in disinvestment in state-run companies is what is expected. Those targets have not been met in the past, so government to raise funds may be looking at fast tracking the disinvestment and raising some cash, much needed cash. So the sectors which we're looking at first is manufacturing industrial stocks. The significant attention is going to be on manufacturing and the industry sector, which are central to the government's policies to increase domestic production and to reduce imports. And that makes sense, because the more you export and domestic production goes up, then less you import, your trade balance turns into a much better, healthy shape, and our reliance on foreign dollars also comes down. So the stocks in these sectors have substantial growth in the past, and if the government focus to do this and continues to do this, which is what is expected, you can expect this could lead to further gains in the coming years. The second sector which we want to look at is the defense sector. The defense sector is another primary beneficiary from this government if it continues to rule, and the policies are aimed at boosting local manufacturing and increasing defense exports. And defense stocks have already seen significant amount of growth and may continue to grow if India aims to expand its defense exports. And that kind of makes sense considering where the world is in geopolitical tensions. So defense spending will go up and defense exports will go up. So it is presumable that defense stocks will perform well in the foreseeable future. And the third part we can look at, which is going to be of interest to investors, is disinvestment in public sectors. The government plans to raise more funds through asset sales, including big ticket disinvestments, which might get a boost with electoral success and affecting stock related, like in public infrastructure and state-run companies, which they've been talking about for some time. So what are the key stocks to watch in each of these sectors? The key stocks to watch in manufacturing would be L&T, Larsen Trubo, this is Polycap India, GMR Airports and Dixon Technologies, Siemens, AIA Engineering, and IRB Infra, and Keynes Technologies, and ABB India, and Carbodium, and PG Electroplastics, Cummins India, and Timken India, and GR Infra Projects are some of the companies in this manufacturing industry which you can look at and study it further. Study the PE, study the past, study the track record, study debt, study potential, study moats. So this is a kind of broad study I'm hoping you would do before you decide to venture into it. This is just a broad stroke I'm giving you for you to get your palate wet, as they say. So you get interested and you jump into it and you study. Please do not take these as recommendations. These are not recommendations. I'm not asking you to consider them. I'm just saying this is the way it looks to me looking at it from a distance. So please do your own study and your own due diligence, and please refer to a SEBI registered advisor before you decide to make any kind of decisions on this. Second set of stocks to watch will be under defense, would be Hindustan Aeronautics, Bharat Electronics, Mazagon Dock and Shipbuilders, Data Patterns India, and Astra Microwave Products and Solar Industries India. These are all under defense bucket. Some of them seen tremendous growth in terms of stock capital in the last few years, and it's worthwhile investigating if you're interested and you believe in this philosophy of defense sector spending going up, looking at what the global situation is, and even within India, what the government has been saying. So these are the companies you can study. And in terms of disinvestments linked to what the government has previously spoken to, what we can see happening might be the Container Corporation of India, BEML, and Shipping Corporation of India, RITES, and Indian Railway Finance Corporation, and IRCON International. So, what are the implications of this? The implications is this is the outcome of the election could ensure the policy continuity and the political stability, which is I was talking about. This is crucial for maintaining position for a rapidly growing economy like what we're having right now. Please do keep in mind, it doesn't matter who comes to power as long as they come in majority and there's a stability in the government. So if the current government comes into power, we can expect the continuation of their existing policies and what they have in their manifesto. And these are the key areas where I can see as an investor, you can keep your eyes on in the coming years, at least for this new term, which the government gets. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining. It is just an overview of what's going to happen in the elections, because a lot of you have been asking me on Instagram and Twitter, asking me, what do you think the elections will happen? What do you think? How will it affect the economy? How will it affect investing? These are broad strokes which I think will be the implications of this election and who wins this election. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one soon. Bye.
It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.